salka Tripura loksabha achugthai ni bharatiya janata party ni angkai batainai Kriti singh debbarma na hamjakma yapharwi dhalai hangkor ni lukorak amba shawa Kotor Michil khwlawi 28 March salmari eba sangrong salo nomination bwlai yapharwi rwkha Tripura royal family ni sajukma Kriti singh debbarma Michil khwlawi salka hangkor ni naikolnai ni hawa nogo phai manjak phawi salka Tripura loksabha achugthai ni returning officer eba dhalai hangkor naikolnai Saju Wahid ni thani nomination bwlai yapharwi rwkha abo Kotor Michil phawi manjak phai ka haste ni montri Dr.Manik Tripura hafangni rangsong montri singh haroi hokbar tangbedek ni montri Nat industry te commerce tangbedek ni montri Shantana chakma montri vikas debbarma bubagra debbarma pradesh BJP ne asufang rajya bhattacharya te Tripura Bidhan Sabha ne naikolnai kalyani shaharoi ashal ni Michil ni shimi bodol ni angai sakthar bangraka montri Kotor ni montri vokrong Narendra Modi ni samuna support khalai khabo Tonai loksabha chong mariwote kabang board by khwlawi no Narendra Modi no white ni bagai Bharat ni montri vokrok angnai khanai shakhabo
response today. So how is the overall feeling? What is, are you confident of the winning this election?
Now you have seen, whether you have seen or not.
We have seen,
This
sir.
is my question.
We have
What-
seen, sir.
So what is your observation?
We can't
What do you
obs-
think?
we can't give
You
any
should
comments.
say,
sir. Comments, sir.
you are also a human being, no? So you should also say you have seen.
Right,
A large number of people have come here, and I am sure that we are going to win. And our Modi ji already said that our target is 370. I hope it will go beyond that. And our target is with the alliance partner will go beyond 400. I don't know where it will go ultimately. So I'm sure that this time from east and west, both the constituencies, we are going to win. And today, this East Parliamentary constituency, our candidate is Maharani Kriti Singh Debbarma Mahadaya. So along with her and our Motha founder, Maharaja Kirit will become Kishore Debbarma. We all went to submit the nomination.
Thanks.
salka Tripura loksabha achugthai BJP ni batainai angai sangrong salo nomination bwlai rwkha Tripura motha bodol ni kacham supremo eba bubagra debbarma ni bivisa Kriti singh debbarma nomination yapharwi rwmani jorao phai manjak phawi bubagra saklaika Tripura ni Tripura sa lukorone bagai kaham gor semang naharka kendra ya hafam Tripura sa rone kaham hamkhrani bagai kendra haste te Tripura motha bodol ni bisingo contract sign angka abone bagai no Kotor ni montri vokrong Narendra Modi te kendra union Home Minister Amit Shah no tebo hambai yapharka bubagra
Expected people to turn up, and I'm very happy to see so many of our Tripura brothers and sisters and people from other communities as well came together, and to see so many people who are from different communities, different religions, different backgrounds come together and support the joint candidate between Motha and BJP. It is something that I always wanted to see, communal harmony, and if this is the way we all go ahead, then I think we can actually see everyone develop in us.
Thanks. And you are confident of winning.
I never get into anything without being confident of winning. I think in life one should never go with the attitude that you will lose. When there was a brew accord, when I went and I fought for my young people, I never thought that we will lose. I knew that we will win. When I got into the ABC, I knew we will win. When I got into the assembly elections, all of us as a team, we knew that we were going to fight without compromising. And when the historic accord was being signed, even at that time, I knew that we will do something so that my community can get something. And today, we are sending a candidate which will support our accord in Delhi and which will not work against our interests. So actually, if we can work for positivity, then I'm sure there are many good people who want the Tripura people to come up, even from different communities. So my idea is what? My idea is to uplift my community, not fight against anybody else. And if this is the gathering that I see, then I'm sure we will win by a record margin, not just in the east, but also in the west.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Tripura ni montri Dr.Manik ni naikolnai Tripura haste ni kai ni loksabha achugthai no kabangkok board by bharatiya janata party ni batainai no kaplai angnai khanai wansokmang salka Tripura loksabha achugthai ni BJP ni bodole angai batainai Kriti singh debbarma bo
You have filed the nomination.
Yes.
So, what is your feeling? What is your message to the people of Tripura?
Well, I think we are very positive and we have got a fantastic team. And we will definitely win the coming election. There's no doubt about it. We'll try our best, but we will win. Thank you so much.
How was the response you have seen?
You all have seen the response better than me, so I'm sure you all will be able to give a better feedback. Thank you.
You are confident enough.
Yes, please. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
so much.
Thank you.
Gabangkuk bodolni samung khlainai tei naikolnai rok gabangno phawi manjak phai mane wa sangrong salo nomination bwlai yapharwi rwkha Kriti singh debbarma. Bureau report. Kotor.